Is your Chevy Equinox key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. The Equinox key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Here's how to replace it. Open the fob carefully, avoiding damage to the circuit board. Replace the CR2032 battery, then reassemble. This fixes the issue 70 to 80% of the time. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be relearned, or the receiver antenna might need a reset. Since 2024, GM has issued recalls and over-the-air updates to address receiver problems. Ensure your Equinox has the latest firmware via the My Chevrolet app. Battery issues account for 60% of cases. Check NHTSA campaign number 24V123 for recall information. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try the Relearn procedure. Enter the vehicle with your key. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Cycle the doors. Follow the prompts on the infotainment screen. This reprograms the fob. If problems persist, the vehicle's receiver or antenna might be malfunctioning due to corrosion or electromagnetic interference. A reset involves disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes. For advanced troubleshooting, diagnostic tools can reveal error codes like B3170, key fob mismatch. Digital keys are becoming standard, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Check if your Equinox supports digital key functionality via Apple Wallet or Google Pay. For older models without updates, professional service from a certified mechanic is recommended, as tampering might void your warranty. These fixes prevent 50% of secondary issues and ensures your device communicates at 3 and 14 MHz effectively.